Hi, Mitch. Hi, John. First of all, good afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. Kasi probably afternoon na tong by the time na mapanood niyo yung itong video. So, I would like to say regards to all my fellow classmates sa Gentle Shepherd School, sa aming mga teachers na nandiyan today, of course, kila Tita Violi and the rest of their family, John's family, and syempre dun sa mga rest ng BFF na ko dyan, regards sa inyong lahat. So, first of all, thank you very much for this opportunity sa aking twin sister na makapagbigay ako ng konting message para kay John and Mitch. Syempre, nung nalaman ko na ikakasal na si Michelle, mixed emotions. Okay? Kasi first, I'm so happy. We're so happy. Finally, nandito na siya. Ikakasal na siya. But also, I am sad kasi I won't be there, right? Because especially if you're overseas, there's some things that you cannot control. Although sinabi ko naman kay Michelle, I really like to be there. But I cannot guarantee and I don't want to promise, right? So, it's on behalf of me and my family, it's my honor and my pleasure to be a part of your entourage. In fact, kasama pa rin ako doon sa kanyang list kahit na sure na hindi naman ako makakauwi. So today, one of the Bible verse, my favorite life verse, is Isaiah 60:22, and I would like to share that with you both. Because it says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, would make it happen. So, today is the right time. Sometimes, you know, all the uncertainty in life, we have to wait patiently, right? Kasi alam naman natin, God's plan is greater than our plans, right? So, I know that, John, you're here already. You are the right person for her because this is the right time. Si Michelle kasi, para na namin siyang kapatid. We're together for about 34 years or more. So, kayo nang bahala mag-compute nun. Actually, not half of our life, but most of our lives. So, para na namin siyang kapatid. So, kung masaya siya, syempre, napakasaya rin namin. Pero pag nasaktan din siya, or na-hurt siya, or malungkot siya, nalulungkot din kami para sa kanya. So, I know, John, that you will take care of Mitch as much as she will take care of you. Magaling siya mag-alaga. So, I can assure you that. I just wish you both good luck, more blessings, and God, we pray that you're always, you know, guided by the Lord. And what else can I say? My best wishes, and I will see you all soon. Thank you, and have a great day. Enjoy!